After 300 miles, how does the boosted Mini X sound like? Not very good. No, it's not the belt, it's not the motor shaft, it's not the wheel, it's not the motor guard neither. The camera's falling, sorry. And it's not skid plates, it's the motor. Just the motor. These are pretty dope. They have 7 modes. The first one, second just white, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's my favorite one. That's the one I use all the time. Use it only in the dark though, because there's no point of using it in the daylight. People see you anyways. Alright, so overall this video is just to kind of ask you guys, or anyone that has the new generation booster boards, if they have the same sound, and you know why it's happening only to the new generation booster boards. Like, what did they tweak in the new generation booster boards motor that is causing them to sound like this? And this is just not just me. I've seen some people post it on the New York City page on Facebook, and even some people with this booster board Stealth are having the same sound, which is kind of weird. I don't know. I really don't know what they did to these new motors that it's causing it to sound like that.